Hello bearded bee people. Welcome back to B&KBs for another episode of Random Inspection Friday. Random inspection every third Friday or whatever it's been. But this I am shaking a cell starter and thought it might be interesting because this hive is not necessarily known for being very friendly. So you may see me before the end of this getting into a jacket. But we'll find out. Maybe not. Sometimes I get surprised. But I have to go all the way down, so this is not the kind of inspection that's usually very simple and easy. Especially when it starts out like that. Beautiful brood frame. So I need to find the queen and set her aside so that I can shake some of these brood frames for the cell starter. If you don't already know what a cell starter is, just a queenless box of bees that I graft into to create queen cells. These bees are super flighty and runny, and I'm not a big fan. I won't be grafting from these ones. Even though they survived last winter wonderfully, they don't complete the entire checklist. But pretty good brood frames. The open cells there have bee bread in them. Alright, so I found her. I don't know if you'll be able to see her, but I'm sure you've seen a queen before. She's right there. I'm going to set her right here for a couple minutes and shake some bees. I'll bring you over there first. Okay, so I don't have a pollen frame, but I have to go through a couple more hives before this will be done. So I'll have to put in at least a double-sided pollen frame and 2 open frames of nectar. Okay, so I'm going to put those frames back, and that's pretty much it. It's As I always say, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, click like. I'd appreciate that. If you've not already, consider subscribing. You'll get notified for other videos as we go on throughout the year. And I'd appreciate the heck out of that as well. But either way, get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.